Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term science fiction and fantasy. Introduction. Science fiction and fantasy are two literary genres that transport readers to imagined realities vastly different from the world of our ordinary experience. While both genres delve into worlds of wonder and speculation, they possess distinct characteristics. Science fiction, often rooted in scientific principles and technological advances, explores plausible futures and alternative realities. On the other hand, fantasy draws from mythical, magical, and supernatural elements, creating enchanting worlds beyond the boundaries of our understanding. This video examines the origins and development of science fiction and fantasy, notable authors, their thematic variations, and the recent emergence of cyberpunk as a postmodern subgenre. The genesis of science fiction and fantasy. Mary Shelley's Frankenstein is often regarded as a precursor to science fiction, presenting themes of reanimation and scientific experimentation. However, the explicit use of coherent scientific principles in fictional worlds emerged later in the 19th century, exemplified by Jules Verne's Journey to the Center of the Earth and H.G. Wells' The War of the Worlds. These works laid the foundation for modern science fiction and its imaginative exploration of space, technology, and society. Science fiction and plausible speculation. Science fiction distinguishes itself by grounding its narratives in known or imagined scientific principles, technological advancements, or societal changes. Prominent science fiction authors such as Isaac Asimov, Arthur C. Clarke, Ray Bradbury, J.G. Ballard, and Doris Lessing envision futuristic societies, interstellar travel, and the impact of technology on human life. These stories often serve as mirrors to reflect contemporary issues and warn against potential consequences. Fantasy, magic, myth, and medieval sources. Fantasy, an ancient genre, has roots in utopian fiction and finds an early satirical precursor in Jonathan Swift's Gulliver Travels. Renowned fantasy authors like C.S. Lewis and J.R.R. Tolkien drew inspiration from classical, biblical, and medieval sources to craft enchanting worlds filled with mythical creatures and magical elements. Ursula K. Le Guin stands as a notable author, excelling in both science fiction and fantasy with works like The Dispossessed. Themes in science fiction and fantasy. Both genres offer versatile storytelling options. Some narratives project utopias or dystopias to explore societal possibilities, while others critique current science and society by extrapolating their consequences. Political and social satire also permeates many works, exemplified by Aldous Huxley's Brave New World and Kurt Vonnegut's prose fiction. Cyberpunk, a postmodern turn in science fiction. Cyberpunk emerges as a postmodern subgenre where stories partially or wholly take place in the virtual reality shaped by computers and networks. William Gibson's Neuromancer exemplifies this form, where human characters and artificial intelligences navigate a high-tech, cybernetic landscape. Conclusion. Science fiction and fantasy hold a unique place in literature, captivating readers with imaginative worlds and profound explorations of human potential. As the genres continue to evolve, they remain powerful conduits for social commentary, moral introspection, and philosophical musings. From the classic works of Shelley, Verne, and Wells to the contemporary visions of Le Guin, cyberpunk, and beyond, science fiction and fantasy continue to inspire curiosity and wonder. So this was the discussion on the term science fiction and fantasy. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.